How to make your first million, part 3. This is the third of the 5 parts. This is where you put together your theme. Your theme is selecting what will become the core of your business, or which area of the business world you're going to be making your million in. So in your theme could be a product, or it could be a service. So maybe it is a specific gait belt that is used in physical therapy. Maybe it's this particular hospital gown that makes it easy for the patient to put all the technical and fancy gadgets that they need while they're staying in the hospital. Maybe it's a place for their cell phone. It could even be a specific medical device that makes caregiving easier, or it makes the work of the nurse at the hospital better. It could even be this mic that I'm using. Maybe it is the patient monitoring system that older adults can use. That could be something you create. So making your first million does not only have to be a service, it could be a product. The service could be anything, ranging from education to party planning to creating recreational programs for seniors, to providing in-home care, to providing infusion. It could be any service. It could be real estate. It could be internet or online business systems. It could be investments. You need a theme. So here is something. The fastest way to make your first million, if you are a nurse, is to get involved in some area of in-home caregiving or supportive living services. Why? Because every day 10,000 baby boomers become senior citizens. Because every day the need for supportive living increases exponentially. It is also the way for you to extend yourself and time. By extending yourself, I mean, if you have 5 employees working for you every day while you are in your office, you have spent 8 hours, these employees have done the same. They have tripled and quadrupled that 8 hours because income is being generated for everyone who is on your team using your system or using your programs. The fastest way to make that is through in-home care. If you are a nurse, for example, it's very easy to make $1 million a year of profit with less than 20 clients in the private pay senior care industry. So the third out of 5 steps for making your first million is the theme. What are you going to do? What do you want to do? Are you doing a product? Are you doing a service? Are you getting into real estate? Are you doing internet business systems? Are you investing? The other question is, are you combining senior care and real estate? That is something. You could own a building, and inside that building could be a senior service. So that building could be a commercial building, and inside of that building, you have the in-home care office. You may have that adult daycare. You may have a medical supply store. You may have a school. Or you could combine real estate and education. You could own a commercial building. That commercial building has multiple offices. So you're developing income streams from that, but you also have an educational service which maybe has an online version, has a virtual version, has an in-person version, or a combination of all 3. So find your theme, and then we will talk about the next one in the next video.